create an Opus event profile. If you're on opusevent.com, go to Opus Audition, audition.opusevent.com, create an account. Type in your first name, your last name, the email address that you want to use with Opus, and the password. It needs to have a capital, letters, numbers, and a special character. Once you enter that information, it's going to send a PIN number, and the PIN is going to the email address that you put in. And if you cannot get that PIN number, check your junk folder or your spam folder. If it's still not there, you need to use a different email address, because that means that your school system is not letting you get emails from Opus. And we definitely want you to be able to get emails from Opus this year. So I'm going to my vice president email. It came from noreply@opusevent.com. I'm going to copy my PIN number, and I'm going to put it in here. Then I'm going to click next. It's going to ask me for my personal information, so I'm going to input my address. And it's going to ask me about linking a membership. I want to go ahead and link my NAFME membership, because if I don't, I'm not going to be able to access any of the OKMEA events this year. When I click create user, it brings up NAFME. It's found me in the system, and now I'm going to type in my membership number, and I'm going to click save. Once it does that, it shows you your membership down here. You can always go up and add your ACDA membership as well if you're entering OCDA events this year. Now notice my expiration date is in the middle of audition for the fall, and so I want to make sure that I keep this up to date throughout the process, because otherwise I will get locked out of the OKMEA event. So that is how you set up a new account on Opus. Now if I go out to switch event, I see events that are already created in Opus that any NAFME member can access. Notice that none of the OKMEA events are out here yet. That's because we're still in the process of building those, but ours will be added to this hopefully by Wednesday this week. So you'll be able to start seeing your events and adding your applications.